going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A few days ago I made a community post sharing these tires that I was printing for the MN78. Well, we've got the full set printed. I actually printed a fifth one here that we're looking at right now that I'll mount in the spare tire location. But I wanted to show you guys, give you a close-up look. We're just getting packed up, heading out here momentarily to go test these out. I wanted to give you a closer look at what these look like before I dirty them up. So you can see that, guys. These were made to fit the stock wheels of the MN78, and I'll show you how those mount momentarily. But we got the Airless design. We've got good flexible TPU filament there. So looking forward to getting these dirty and seeing how they do. Now, there's the stock. Made them the exact same size. So if we pop the wheel there, and what I was doing, guys, with the other ones is I was just putting a little bit of glue in here, just a couple shots of glue, just to make sure they don't slip off. They're a decently tight fit. And there we go, guys. That is ready to go. I'm going to get it mounted to the roof rack. We're going to head out probably to the pit, I think, and go have some fun with it. So we'll see you out there. Now, this is still running the stock 280 motor as well, which I think does all right. Definitely seems like it could use a bit more power. But it is what it is. We're testing out the tires today, and they're doing pretty good, actually. Initiate that drag brake. I forgot about that. Well, they're working out pretty good. More than anything, I thought they looked cool, and that's why I printed them. gonna start making our way back now, guys. You know what, overall, not bad. These tires are doing as good as I expected, which are, I think they're a little bit better actually than the stock tires. I printed them because they looked cool. Always wanted to try a 3D printed airless tire, and it worked out pretty good. But the MN78 here, I think we're gonna we still need to try a LiPo battery and see if we can get a little bit more out of the stock motor and gearing, but it does seem to be a little bit underpowered. But still, no complaints. Probably one of the best scaled looking Jeeps that I've come across, especially for the price. Compared to some of the more expensive models, you're getting a pretty good deal on this one. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, guys. These tires, they're working out pretty good for me. No complaints, but they are getting hung up a bit on the fenders. I did make them the same size as the stock tires, but I didn't round over the edges. So my plan with these is to possibly put some different shocks, give us a little bit of a lift on this, and that should correct us grounding out on the fenders, getting caught up on them. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for today with the MN78 and those custom 3D printed airless tires that I have mounted on there. I thought the tires did alright. Obviously we still got some work to do on the MN78 here to get that gearing and the power figured out a bit so we can have a little bit more capable of a crawler here. But you know what, the tires overall, thought they did great. We were rubbing a bit, getting caught up on the fenders a little bit. I think I'm going to add some oil-filled shocks, maybe stiffen it up a little bit from the bouncy friction shocks they currently are, and that should correct that issue. But for right now, guys, we're going to leave it at that. If you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. If you want to grab one of these MN78s for yourself or get some more info on it, links down below in the description. I'm also going to leave the link down below to these tires if you want to print some for yourself. I'll upload this file to Thingiverse so you guys can print those for yourself if you choose to. And like I showed you at the beginning of the video, those will mount directly onto the stock wheels, no problem. So guys, that's it for now. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.